We have windy and colder conditions that are going to develop as the day goes on, dropping the wind chills substantially. We've got milder weather by the late part of the weekend. We've got some wetter weather also in the forecast too, but we've got a lot of chilly days to get through before we start to bring those temperatures kind of back into the normal range. A steady diet of Arctic air coming. We've had several Arctic air masses blow through town and then across the Canadian border, coming straight out of central Canada. The flow of air has been out of the west-northwest. We've seen a number of these come through. The good news is this is the last one that we're going to see, at least in this pattern, and hopefully we'll get a nice break from that. We've seen some high gusts lately. Jefferson, is still there, but they just had a 76-mile-per-hour wind gust. Those are hurricane-force winds blowing through the area, and the cold front isn't even through yet, so they have picked up ahead of the front. We've got high wind warnings in Watauga County, Ashe County, as well as Allegheny and Grayson counties. When you get into lower elevations or slightly lower elevations, Carroll, Patrick County, as well as Surrey and Wilkes counties, those become more wind advisories. Gusts to 70 plus. Occasionally plus in the mountains to 45 miles per hour in the foothills, and gusts potentially to 35 miles per hour in the Triad. As we look at our wind gust forecast, you see how the wind direction starts to change as that front goes through, but those gusts stay high through the day today. They start to dwindle some during the evening, but it's still pretty blustery. And when we're forecasting a big drop in temperature and still have winds like this, that wind chill temperature is going to drop substantially through Friday and likely into Saturday morning too. Watch where wind chill temperatures peak. 9 o'clock in the morning on this particular model, but it's already starting to fall in the mountains, and then it starts to drop. Even by lunchtime today, it'll feel from 40s to 30s and then continue cooling from there. So the moral of the story today is not to dress for the weather right now, because we are running milder this morning than we were this time yesterday, in some cases by 20 or more degrees. But temperatures are going to drop off substantially later today, and these wind chills are going to stay pretty cold for quite some time beginning this afternoon, and we'll finally start to come out of this during the day on Saturday. It's going to be very cold at tonight's Christmas parade in Randleman. It starts at 7 o'clock this evening. Wind chill temperatures will likely be in the 20s. We're in the 40s right now with that big uptick in temperature from yesterday, but notice when temperatures peak as we go to your forecast. Early. By afternoon, we'll start to be in the 40s and even drop into the 30s late afternoon, but wind chill temperatures are expected to be in the